be learning how to make conversions of U.S. customary units of mass. Now let's take a look at some examples just to remind us of examples of mass. So starting with our lightest weight, our smallest weight is ounces, not fluid ounces. This is solid ounces. These are pounds, ounces that have to do with weight. One slice of bread would be the same weight as 1 ounce. One whole loaf of bread would be 1 pound, and 1 ton is the size of a small truck. It takes 16 ounces to make 1 pound, and it takes 2,000 pounds to make 1 ton. Again, we have our conversion chart in these sections about mass measurement conversions to help us going from a larger unit to a smaller unit and a smaller to larger. So let's take a look up here. We're going to go from pounds to ounces, which is a large unit to a small unit. So again, we're going from a large unit to a small unit, and we're going from pounds to ounces. So pounds to ounces means to multiply by 16. So we're going to do 16 times 6. Which is 96. So there's 96 ounces in 6 pounds. Now we're going from pounds to tons, small unit to a large unit, small to large. Pounds to tons is divide by 2,000. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, divide by 2,000. So 8,000 divided by 2,000 is 4. It's 4 tons is 8,000 pounds. Okay, here let's go from ounces to pounds. It's a small unit to a large unit, small to large. And we're going from ounces to pounds. So we're going to divide by 16. So 48 divided by 16. Okay, these are getting a little bit mixed up here. Let me get that erased off of there. Okay, so we look here and I know that 16 times 2 is 32. So if I did another 16, maybe that'll get me 48. So let's check. 3 times 6 is 18. And then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 more is 4. So it's 3 pounds. So 48 ounces is 3 pounds. Okay. Now we're going to go from pounds to ounces. So pounds to ounces is a large unit to a smaller unit. So we're going from a large unit to a smaller unit. So from pounds to ounces, we're going to multiply by 16. So 2 pounds times 16 is 32. And then we have this 6 ounces, so that's 32 ounces. So we got to add in that extra 6 ounces. So it'll give me a total of 38 pounds. I'm sorry, 38 ounces. So that's 38 ounces. So 2 pounds, 16 ounces is equivalent to 38 ounces. Now we're going from tons to pounds, so a large unit to a small unit. Large to small means we're going to multiply. So we're going from tons to pounds. We're going to multiply by 2,000. So 4 times 2,000 is 8,000. But we have these 16 pounds left over, or 6 pounds. So we're going to add in that 6 to get us a total of 8,006 pounds. And let's see if I can fit that in there. 8,000, that's an 8. 8,006. That's hard to read, but it's 8,006 pounds. It's the equivalent to 4 tons, 3 pounds. Okay, now let's get rid of this out of the space so we have that. Right, and okay, we're going from ounces to pounds, ounces to pounds. So that's a small unit to a large unit, small to large. Ounces to pounds is divided by 16. So 38 divided by 16. So I remember 16 double is 32, so I'm going to do 2. 2 times 6 is 12, regroup the 1. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. Remainder of 6. So it took me 2 pounds, 6 ounces, to make 38 ounces, 6 ounces, okay? So up here I have 16 ounces. 16 ounces is how many pounds? So if I look over here, actually back here, 16 ounces is 1 pound. So that's 1 pound. 3 pounds is how many ounces? So pounds is a larger unit than small, large to small. So I'm going from pounds to ounces, pounds to ounces. I'm going to multiply by 16. So 16 times 3 is 1848. So that's 48 ounces. 48 ounces. Okay. And then how many pounds is in a ton? And if we remember back here, 2,000 pounds makes 1 ton. So I already know that. So 2,000 pounds. Those are all zeros. 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. 2 tons is how many pounds? So tons to pounds, large to small, large to small. So I'm going from tons to pounds, which is multiplied by 2,000. So 2 times 2 is 4,000 pounds for 2 tons. 32 ounces is how many pounds? So ounces to pounds, small to large, which means to divide by 16. So 32 divided by 16 is 2. 1 ton is how many ounces? So if I go from tons, a large unit to a small unit, large to small, I have ton to pounds, which means to multiply by 2,000. So 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. So I multiply by 2. I went 1 times 2,000 to get 2,000 pounds. And now I'm going to go from pounds to ounces, so I need to multiply by 16. Pounds to ounces, because I'm doing a double conversion here. So I'm going to multiply by 16. So that's 32,000 ounces in 1 ton. 32,000. That looks terrible, but that's 32,000. I'm going to erase that because I don't like it. Make that better. Okay. All right, that was 2 before. So this is 32,000. Well, that 3 isn't very good either. It looks like a 2. I don't know why I'm having a hard time with this today. Okay, and here we're going 5. What makes 80 ounces? So 80 ounces, I'm thinking I'm going to go to pounds. So 80, I think that's an 80. Yeah, 80 divided by 16. Let's try 5. 5 times 6. 5 times 1 plus 3 is 80. So it's 5 pounds is 80 ounces. That was a pretty good guess. 5 pounds is 80 ounces. Okay, a newborn baby weighs 6 pounds and 11 ounces. How many total ounces does that baby weigh? So 6 pounds is how many ounces? So pounds to ounces multiply 16. So 16 times the 6 pounds is 96. Plus I need to add in this 11 ounces here. 107 ounces that baby weighs. 107 ounces. Okay, a truck weighs 3 tons. How many pounds is that? So tons to pounds. I'm going large to small, so tons to pounds is to multiply by 2,000. So 3 times 2,000 is 6,000 pounds. LBS is abbreviation for pounds. And that's how we do measurement conversions of mass, U.S. customary units of mass.